AJ from Clearview Accessories again. Just going to show you how to change your mirror caps. Now, depending on what you ordered, you might have had black caps and you decide, you know what, I wouldn't mind a chrome cap. Or you might be getting them color coded to your car and you've got a special cap, a raw cap that you've ordered from us, and it's come back from the paint shop, now you want to put it on. First thing you need to do, get the mirror glass off. Now on a convex mirror, you want to make sure you're not stressing the glass, otherwise, because if you do this wrong, the glass will shatter. We don't want that. We don't want you paying another $40 to $80 for your mirror glass. So pushing it in down here, getting in on the inside. And what I'm trying to do is find the lug. Okay, a little bit easier. So what I'm doing here is I'm pushing down on this while lifting this up here. Push. Don't want to lift up there because I'm going to put stress on the back plate and that's going to break the glass. So pushing that down as I'm lifting this up, being very, very gentle. Okay, don't go too fast, just take your time. Now, changing the cap. Got a few screws to loosen. Okay, so some people take them all the way out. I prefer just to leave them probably a quarter half turn, still connected. Use a plastic pry tool. There's a clip here. The little clip here. Okay, so you see, clip there, clip there. So what we're trying to do is just get it off these. There's two there and two there, and they correspond to these particular points here. Now putting on our nice shiny new one, new chrome cap, we want to make sure that it's sitting flat. No wires are having to, coming into contact with the recess positions here, so we don't want to crush any wires. It is so much easier for me to do this on the car, but it's easier to demonstrate what you guys need to do if you're doing this yourself. Now, time to put our cap on. We've got two lugs down here. They go into these slots here. It's really important that they sit flat in there. You want to hold inside here. That starts clicking in. You're done. Nice shiny cap.